Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here. We're going to unbox this Epson printer, the EcoTank L3250. Ito siya. So we got this for around 10K in Octagon. So you can do printing, scanning. There's also Wi-Fi, rare paper input, and Epson Connect. That's the app. Tapos meron silang ink, parang ink fluids na nilagay na nung staff ng Octagon. I can do 4,500 pages. For black, pag colored naman is 7,500. So you need the app also, and you can print wirelessly from your app or to your laptop. Okay, so ito siya. So unbox na natin to. Let's check it out, yo. Alright, so ito na yung Epson printer. Ito yung paper tray niya pag nag-output na siya. And this is the scanner. Yung scanner siya. Parang isang bond paper size lang, hindi siya long. So short lang siya. But this one can print long and short na rin din. So ito yung buttons niya. There's the Wi-Fi button sa papers. Ayan, I think this is copy. You can operate this via using the app sa phone. Also the for the web sa sa laptop na rin din. And this is the sa ink. Paano ba to? Kung na nabasa yung manual eh. So ito yung ink. Kanina namin nakita ko yung canister, no. You need to put the canister here, black, yellow, magenta, tsaka cyan to fill up the colors. So ito yung kumbaga measurement niya, puno na siya. Pero yung ink natin may available pa siyang ink, which is pagka napuno na, pag nabawasan na, magdadagdag pa tayo ng konti. Ito siya. May mga konting colors pang natira dito. Ayan, konting colors pa, because we can use it sa future. And gawin natin, no, tawag dito, i-refill natin yan pag naubos na yung ink. Pero hindi naman siya kasya lahat eh. So eto, may available pa. So buti na lang, hindi siya ganun ka said na said. And also for the power outlet, eto siya, regular power outlet lang siya. Also may mga printer kasi na medyo mura, around 4,000 pesos. Kaso printer lang sila and wala silang wireless printing, tsaka wala silang app. Still using the traditional kind of tawag dito, yung wired. So ito, may kasama rin siyang wiring din. Ito, for printing. Ito yung sa printer, ito yung sa laptop. Just in case na kung gusto mo na connect, ayaw nyo ng wireless. Pero syempre, what's the point, no? Kung bumili kayo ng wireless printer, di kayo gagamit ng wireless, no? So, kaya tayo bumili, no? So, around 10K. Sa ibang stores is na around 9K. And, for us, okay na to. Okay na to. Goodbye na rin din. You need to find lang some stores na nagbebenta ng siguro mga around below 10K na Epson printer. So, ayun. I'll be operating this. Gamitin din namin to for printing some documents here sa bahay namin. Also, yung, ayan. for the bond paper dito na nakatayo. So, wala na siyang ibang panel dito. Ayan. Hanggang doon lang siya. And for scanning, ayan. So, that's it for our unboxing of this Epson printer, the L3250, kumbaga, EcoTank printer from Epson. So, I think it's another new printer for us na gagamitin namin sa bahay. Very compact, very compact. Napakaganda, napakaganda. Very, tsaka magaan din siya. Alright, I'll end on my video. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright.